Hey, gorgeous souls! Welcome back to our channel. We are at it again with another exciting video designed to help you create a life you love. Let's be honest, who isn't dreaming of making money quickly? We all have bills to pay, experiences to enjoy, and maybe a few splurges along the way. But let's get real. The path to wealth rarely comes in a get-rich-quick package. Those secret methods promising overnight riches? Yeah, they're usually best left untouched. But that doesn't mean you have to wait forever to start seeing those dollar signs multiply. What if I told you there's a legitimate way to generate income, even if you're just starting out? A method that's accessible, flexible, and has the potential to bring in some sweet, sweet cash flow? Are you in? Of course you are. Because, my friend, we're about to unlock the world of affiliate marketing. Before we get started, if you would like to learn about our #1 recommended affiliate marketing program designed for beginners with free mentoring and training that pays daily, requires no tech skills, no experience, and no huge following while needing only your cell phone and internet connection, and just a few hours a day, you can either visit www.beachlaptopoffice.com for the details or click the link in the description. Now you might be thinking, affiliate marketing? Sounds complicated. Don't hit that next video button just yet. I'm here to break it down in a way that even your grandma could understand. We're talking simple explanations, actionable strategies, and a whole lot of excitement along the way. In a nutshell, affiliate marketing is like being the cool kid in school who knows where to get the best deals. You recommend awesome products or services to your friends, family, or even a wider audience online. And when someone makes a purchase through your special referral link, boom, you earn a commission. Pretty awesome, right? It's like getting paid for sharing things you already love. This, my friends, is why affiliate marketing is a fantastic opportunity for beginners. So, are you ready to dive in and unlock the incredible income potential of affiliate marketing? Buckle up, Buttercup. It's about to get profitable up in here. Let's kick things off by getting clear on some basic affiliate marketing lingo. Think of it like learning the secret handshake to an exclusive club of savvy marketers. First, we have the merchant or advertiser. They create the products or services you'll promote. From fashion brands to online courses, the possibilities are endless. Next, we have the affiliate, which is you. You connect products with people who need them. You're like a matchmaker, bringing together two peas in a pod. And finally, the customer. They click your affiliate links and make a purchase. Now that you're fluent in affiliate lingo, let's break down the actual process. Step 1. You choose a niche and select products or services you genuinely believe in. Remember, authenticity is key. Don't just promote anything and everything. Focus on what resonates with you and your audience. Step 2. You sign up for an affiliate program and grab your unique affiliate links. Step 3. You create engaging and valuable content that seamlessly incorporates your affiliate links. And finally, Step 4. You drive targeted traffic to your content and watch those affiliate commissions roll in. Consistency is key. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on affiliate marketing. Now, you might be thinking, this all sounds great, but can I really be successful at this? And the answer is a resounding yes. You absolutely have what it takes to rock the affiliate marketing world. Whether you're a stay-at-home parent, a student, or a full-time employee looking for a side hustle, affiliate marketing can fit into your life and help you achieve your financial goals. But here's the thing, my friend. Affiliate marketing isn't a magic bullet. It takes effort, consistency, and a whole lot of heart. So, are you ready to unleash your inner affiliate superstar? I know I am. Let's do this. All right, my entrepreneurial dynamos, let's talk about niches. No, not those little decorative shelves your grandma loves. We're talking about your very own corner of the internet, where you're the go-to expert, the trusted advisor, the queen or king of your domain. Finding your niche is like striking gold in the world of affiliate marketing. It's about identifying a specific group of people with shared interests, passions, and yes, even problems that you can connect with and serve authentically. This isn't about being everything to everyone, it's about being the absolute best for your tribe. Whatever sets your soul on fire, there's a niche out there just waiting for your unique brand of brilliance. And that, my friends, is where a little market research comes in handy. Once you've uncovered your profitable niche, it's time to find the perfect products or services to promote. Your affiliate BFFs, if you will. These are the offerings that will have your audience saying, "Yes, please, take my money." First and foremost, you have to believe in the products you're promoting. Authenticity is everything in the world of affiliate marketing. If you wouldn't recommend it to your best friend, don't recommend it to your audience. Your credibility is your most valuable asset. Treat it like gold. Next, do your research. Check out reviews, compare prices, and make sure the products you're promoting are high quality and offer real value to your audience. Consider promoting a mix of products at different price points. And finally, don't be afraid to experiment. The beauty of affiliate marketing is that you can always switch things up and try new products or services. Here's the secret sauce to affiliate marketing success, my friends. Find the sweet spot where your passions intersect with your audience's needs, and you've struck gold. When you genuinely believe in what you're promoting, that enthusiasm will shine through in your content, captivating your audience and inspiring them to take action. Remember, you're not just selling products, you're sharing solutions, inspiration, and a piece of yourself with the world. Embrace your unique voice, infuse your content with personality, and let your passion for your niche be your guiding light. Don't be afraid to get creative. Think outside the box and find engaging ways to showcase the products or services you're promoting. From eye-catching visuals to compelling storytelling, there are endless possibilities to captivate your audience and make a lasting impression. So go out there, unleash your inner affiliate superstar, and let's make some magic happen. All right, my marketing mavens, we've talked about niches, products, and passion. Now let's crank up the volume and get those affiliate links in front of eager eyes. It's time to unleash your inner marketing maestro and conduct a symphony of promotional strategies that will have those commission notifications flooding your inbox. Think of it like this. You've got the most amazing product in the world, but it's hidden away in a secret vault, collecting dust. What good is that? You've got to get it out there, shout it from the rooftops, let the world know about its awesomeness. That's where your promotional prowess comes in. But here's the thing, my friends. We're not just blasting our message into the void and hoping for the best. We're strategic, we're targeted, we're laser-focused on reaching the right people with the right message at the right time. First up on our promotional parade is the mighty blog. Don't let the word blog intimidate you. Think of it as your very own online haven, a digital space where you get to share your passions, expertise, and of course, your amazing affiliate links with the world. Imagine this. You're passionate about healthy living, right? You start a blog where you share delicious recipes, killer workout routines, and inspiring stories about your own wellness journey. And naturally, you sprinkle in affiliate links for your favorite blenders, yoga mats, and organic protein powders. People stumble upon your blog, they love your vibe, they trust your recommendations, and bam! They click on your affiliate links, make a purchase, and you earn those sweet, sweet commissions. So, find your niche, create high-quality content that provides real value to your audience, and watch as your blog transforms into a thriving affiliate marketing machine. Next up, let's talk about social media, baby. In today's digital landscape, if you're not leveraging the power of social media, you're missing out on a gold mine of potential customers and affiliate sales. Think about it. Billions of people are scrolling through their feeds every single day, hungry for entertainment, inspiration, and yes, even product recommendations. It's like having a global marketplace at your fingertips, just waiting for you to showcase your affiliate marketing magic. But here's the thing. You can't just slap an affiliate link on a boring product photo and expect the sales to come rolling in. Oh no, my friends, we're smarter than that. We're talking eye-catching visuals, captivating captions, and a sprinkle of your signature personality to make your links irresistible. Think about your ideal customer. Tailor your social media strategy to their preferences, and watch as your engagement soars and those affiliate commissions start rolling in. Hold on to your hats, content creators. We're unlocking the secrets to crafting content that converts. Affiliate links are like ripe fruit on your content tree. Present them irresistibly. Your words are your sales force. People spot sales pitches easily. Cut through the noise. Provide value. Let your personality shine and build relationships. Section 2, Traffic Generating Tips. Leading the charge to your links. Okay, my marketing masterminds, we've created killer content. Now how do we get those eyeballs on our affiliate links? It's time to put on our traffic-generating hats and lead the charge to our digital doorsteps. Think of it like this. You've thrown an epic party, amazing food, killer music, the works. But you forgot one crucial detail, sending out the invitations. No matter how awesome your party is, if nobody knows about it, you'll be dancing solo all night long. And the same goes for your affiliate marketing efforts. Luckily, we've got a whole arsenal of traffic-generating tools at our disposal. First up, we've got search engine optimization, or SEO for short. This is all about optimizing your content to rank high in search engine results pages. You got it. You, the affiliate marketing superstar. Next, we've got social media marketing, leveraging platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest. And let's not forget about the power of paid advertising, strategically investing in targeted ads. Section 3. The power of email, nurturing your affiliate family. Let's talk about one of the most powerful tools in your affiliate marketing arsenal, email marketing. Build genuine connections with personalized, value-packed emails that nurture relationships and drive sales. Think of your email list as your VIP club, a community of engaged subscribers. These are your biggest fans, invested in what you offer. Building a thriving email list takes time and effort. Use lead magnets, irresistible freebies in exchange for email addresses. Nurture relationships with valuable content, exclusive offers, and strategic affiliate links. Do this, and watch your email list become a powerful engine for affiliate marketing success. Ready for some inspiration? Let's dive into the world of affiliate marketing superstars. Real people who started from scratch and built incredible businesses. They took action, stayed consistent, and now reap the rewards. If they can do it, so can you. Six-figure incomes, dream lifestyles, and freedom. Sound too good to be true? Meet affiliate marketing rock stars, proving the sky's the limit. First up on our Affiliate Marketing Hall of Fame is Pat Flynn, founder of Smart Passive Income. Pat turned a layoff into a multi-million-dollar online empire. In 2008, he was laid off from his architecture job. Talk about a curveball, right? Instead of panicking, Pat pursued his entrepreneurial dreams. He created a website to help people pass an architectural exam. People loved it and paid for his study guides. He leveraged his website traffic for passive income, recommending products and services to his audience. Today, Pat Flynn is a household name in online business. He's built a thriving community and inspired countless entrepreneurs. Next up is Michelle Schroeder Gardner, the mastermind behind Making Sense of Sense. Her blog shares money-saving tips and financial freedom strategies. Michelle started her blog in 2011 to document her debt-free journey. She monetized through display ads and affiliate marketing. Today, she's a multi-millionaire, proving you can earn while helping others. Wow, my entrepreneurial rock stars! Can you believe how much we've covered? We've journeyed deep into affiliate marketing, uncovered profitable niches, and explored promotional strategies. You've seen the incredible income potential and life-changing possibilities. Imagine sipping cocktails at sunset as your affiliate commissions roll in. Success requires action. You've got the knowledge, now put it into practice. Take a deep breath, trust your gut, and embark on your affiliate adventure. Let's recap those golden nuggets of wisdom for affiliate marketing success. Consider these your shortcut to mastery. Find your niche and own it. Become the go-to expert. Let your passion shine. Choose products you believe in. Authenticity builds trust. Create high-quality content. Provide real value. Congratulations, my affiliate marketing superstars in the making. As a reminder, If you would like to learn about our #1 recommended affiliate marketing program designed for beginners with free mentoring and training that pays daily, requires no tech skills, no experience, and no huge following while needing only your cell phone, an internet connection, and just a few hours a day, you can either visit www.beachlaptopoffice.com for the details or click the link in the description. Your journey is just beginning. Stay ahead with these resources. Check the show notes for links to top blogs and podcasts. Subscribe to our channel for more tips and strategies. Connect with others in the comments below. Together we rise. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Unleash your inner affiliate superstar. I'm cheering you on.